Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay. I am powered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a pattern which has raised diagonal stitches. These diagonal stitches are formed by placing the front post stitches. This particular piece I made with Hobby Store Aran cyan green yarn, which is 100% acrylic and anti-pill. It's a premium acrylic yarn and a 5-ply yarn, and I used for the foundation chain 6 mm clover hook, and for the main work I used my 5 mm clover hook. So let's go into the video without any delay. Chain multiples of 4 using one size larger hook. I have chained 32. Now remove the larger hook and using the smaller size hook, place one single crochet in the second chain from the hook in the back bump and one single crochet in each chain all across in the back bump. So continue till the end. I shall complete and get back. This is the foundation SC row. For the next row, for row 2, again start with one single crochet in the very first stitch and one single crochet in each stitch across. Continue, complete and get back. After the foundation is 0, let us consider the second one as row 1. Now for row 2, chain 1 and turn. Chain 1 is not considered as a stitch. 1 SC in the very first SC, 1 SC in the next, 1 SC in the third. Now we have to place one front post double crochet 2 rows below, one stitch to the right. So here and we do not work in this stitch, so work one single crochet in each of the next 3. Again, one front post double crochet, one stitch to the right. So not this, and we are not working on the stitch, one single crochet each in each of the next 3 stitches. So continue this stitch pattern till the end of the row. For row 3, chain 1 and turn. Chain 1 is not considered as a single crochet. Now one single crochet in each stitch all across. Rows 3, 5 and 7 are single crochet rows. So continue the single crochet till the end. I shall complete and get back. So for row 4, make one single crochet in the very first stitch and one single crochet each in each of the next 3. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to make front post Fpdc, front post DC around the post of the DC. One stitch to the right here. We don't work on the stitch. So one single crochet each on each of the next 3 stitches. Again a front post double crochet, so you're not working on the stitch here. So 1 SC in each of the next 3. Then again front post, so continue the stitch pattern. Continue the stitch pattern till the end. And row 5 is again single crochet row. Complete that too. I shall get back to you in row 6. Completed row 5, turn. Now 1 single crochet in the very first stitch for row 6, and here we are going to do a front post double crochet, but 2 rows below, 1 stitch to the right here. And then 1 single crochet each in each of the next 3. Again 1 front post double over the post of the double, 2 rows below. So this is a stitch, so we don't work here. 1, 2 and 3. So again a post over this, so this is how it is placed diagonally. We work in the next 1, 2 and 3. So continue the stitch pattern till the end, and then for row 7 it is again a single crochet row. Complete single crochet row for row 7 along with row 6 and get back. At the end of row 7, turn. One single crochet in the very first stitch. At the end of row 7, turn. Place a single crochet in the first 2 stitches, 1 in each, and then place front post double crochet over the double crochet 2 rows below. Skip this, 1 single crochet in each of the next 3, again 1 FPDC, one single in each of the next 3, again so continue till the end. The pattern is a repeat of rows 1 to 8. So repeat rows 1 to 8 to the length required. So I shall complete row 8 and get back to you. At the end of row 8, you place your last FPDC and 1 single crochet in the very last stitch here. So you should maintain 31 stitches because we did 32 and placed 1 SC in from the second. So we had 31 single crochets, and so 31 stitches row after row has to be maintained. So repeat rows 1 to 8 for the pattern. I shall complete a few more rows and get back to you. I have completed a few more repeats of rows 1 to 8 and formed a small square. Hope you enjoyed this raised diagonal pattern, friends. If you happen to be the first time viewer for our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon. Do like and share our videos too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.